Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So changing the subtitle language helps you understand content better or watch in a language you are learning, and it only takes a few taps during playback. Okay, so first thing, start playing a video. So open Prime Video, okay, choose a movie or show from the website. Okay, so click play. Okay, so subtitle options appear only during playback, so open a playback controls like while the video is playing. Tap the screen, okay, so move your mouse if you are using a laptop or computer. Tap if you are using a mobile and press OK or select when you are using the TV remote. Okay, so this reveals playback options. Okay, open subtitles and audio menu, like click or tap subtitles icon. Okay, speech bubble. It's inside the videos or the show or the content. So select, this opens available languages, so select subtitle language, like choose your preferred language. Subtitles updates instantly. Select off to disable if you want. Okay, so what happens after changing? Subtitles display in selected language. Preference may be saved. Okay, it improves understanding and accessibility. Okay, so there are some common issues too that happen, like language not available, subtitle may not support it, subtitles not changing, like restart video or reselect language, or no subtitle options, so you have to check another title or region. Okay, so this is it guys, how to change subtitle language on Prime Video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.